Did you know giraffes basically can't cough? Yeah, imagine being 5 meters tall, and your body's like, nah, bro. Coughing is not in the skill set. Their necks are so long. The air pressure needed to actually cough just gives up halfway. It's like their lungs try to send a cough signal and the message gets lost on the road. Hello, neck? You there? So while humans cough every time dust even thinks about existing, giraffes are just out there silently chewing leaves like, respiratory problems? Couldn't be me. Honestly, being a giraffe sounds kind of peaceful.